Welcome to Eyre From The Air, the pioneers in dedicated aerial photography tours over Lake Eyre and the Painted Hills in the South Australian Outback. Working with the team from Wright's Eyre in William Creek, we were the first company to produce the aerial photography tours in Lake Eyre, and our experienced team know every corner of the lake to ensure that you are flown over the very best locations that Lake Eyre can provide. Over 4 days and 3 nights staying at the world-famous William Creek Hotel, each guest will experience open-door aircraft photography flights over both Lake Eyre and the Painted Hills. Each guest will receive two 2-hour flights over Lake Eyre as well as a 30-minute flight over the Painted Hills with uninterrupted views from an open-door GA8 air van. Experience the thrill of capturing the ever-changing abstract patterns and colours that are unlike any other landscape photography location in Australia. We were the first company to offer this level of access to the public in the Painted Hills and are very privileged to continue to offer our guests the ultimate landscape photography experience in one of Australia's most unique and rarely photographed locations. The tour starts and ends at Olympic Dam, which can be reached via Alliance Air, who fly daily between Adelaide and Olympic Dam. The tour includes all transfers between Olympic Dam and William Creek, as well as all meals. You will be hosted by Eyre From The Air's renowned professional photographer, educator and tour leader, Jay Collier from the Photography Workshop Co., where you will be supported on every step of your experience from each flight to photographing the Painted Hills on foot, as well as providing image editing sessions using Adobe Lightroom over a drink in the world-famous William Creek Hotel. If you are searching for a photographic experience in Australia like no other, our tours provide photographers from all levels a truly unique experience that cannot be matched anywhere else in Australia. Our aim is to ensure that you take home memory cards full of outstanding images that you will be proud to print and hang in your own home. At Eyre From The Air, it is your images we look forward to seeing, and it is your images we hope to see printed in your own photographic book. This is our promise to you and our priority to ensure that all of our guests leave with the very best images possible and what sets us apart from our competitors up in Lake Eyre. We invite you to visit our website at lakeairefromtheair.com today to view all of our upcoming tour dates and detailed information.